Honeyworld is a marine support services company, and our core services are dry bulk bagging, bulk loading, warehousing, cargo haulage and transport, and then logistics support. Today we are here for the test running of our latest equipment, which is the RAM Revolver. And the RAM Revolver is a specialized crane attachment for containerized bulk handling. So what the RAM does is it allows for pit-to-ship loading. So pit-to-ship basically means we take our specialized containers to your facility and then we load into the containers and then transport it straight to the port to be loaded into the hatch of the vessel. Traditionally, the cargo is loaded into bucket trucks and then sent to the quayside where it's discharged onto the ground, and then grabs are used to load it into the hatch. The RAM does 20 to 35 cycles an hour, which translates to 700 to 1,200 tons an hour, which means you're saving more time. There's no demurrage. There's no contamination of cargo because after loading at the warehouse, the container is sealed and then transported to the port, to the quayside. So once it gets there, it directly unloads into the hatch. So there's no pilfering, there's no spillage. So it maintains the integrity of the cargo basically.